Hi there, and welcome to this short presentation on the latest product developments of GreenTEG. My name is Susanne. I'm a product manager at GreenTEG, which is a Swiss-based company that produces thermal laser power detectors. So since we have thermal laser power detectors, they work in all spectrum, from ultraviolet to mid-infrared. First of all, I would like to show you some detectors that are housed. So they're very easy to integrate into your system. They're robust due to the housing that they're built into. They already have an electronics that amplifies the sensor signal, which is normalized to a voltage output of 0 to 10 volts. Those withstand powers up to 50 watts for long-term use, and you can also plug in a water cooling to keep the temperature of this head constant at room temperature. The very unique feature of those ones is that they are extremely fast for thermal detectors. Compared to conventional sensors, they have rise times of 200 milliseconds, which is roughly a factor of 10 lower, meaning that your processes can be speed up considerably. If you are limited in space in your systems, there's the option of integrating only the sensor module itself, meaning that one needs to add extra electronics to amplify the signal, which we can also supply you with, or you just use your own electronics that you have in the system already. With this one builds it basically on a heatsink that provides the cooling for the power that goes into the system. Those are all sensors that can be used for intermediate power. The power range is up to 50, max 100 watts. Can be built into either power detectors like this one or into your laser system as the house one preferably. If you're using lower powers, then we recommend a smaller type of sensors which are more compact and also suitable for integration into laser sources, for example. Those can be as small as 4 by 4 millimeters, which basically fits on the tip of a finger here. And you see that those are so small, you can build them into a laser source. The advantage of such a sensor is that there is no angle dependence, as is common for photodiode sensors, and the spectrum response is flat, so you don't have to worry about changes of wavelength in your radiation. So you see we have a large variety of different sizes and also power ranges that are covered with our sensors. However, if you don't find a suitable sensor among these, then we can customize our products for your needs. Meaning that you can specify the size you need, the shape you need, or also the output signal type. One of our recent developments, which is in the prototype stage and is a position-sensitive device. So here the goal is to determine where the laser beam hits the sensor surface. This can be used for adjusting your laser beam. The nice thing about this sensor is that since it is a thermal sensor, you can really determine the absolute position of the beam on the sensor, and you can really follow it around on the whole surface. This would not be possible, for example, with a quadrant photodiode sensor, where you can only determine in which quadrant the laser beam is, but not exactly at which position. If you want to find out more about our products, have questions or ideas on how to use them, please visit us on our webpage greenteg.com and just ask your questions. We will be happy to find a solution for you. Thank you.